Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. I've got something really special here. It's a limited edition watch that we're going to get into today and show you. But before I do get started, I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate all of your interaction with the channel. Liking and subscribing always does help out. Posting those comments in the comment section is also wonderful. I really look forward to seeing you guys' comments all the time, and I try to respond to as many as I can. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. I am also now Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I review budget-friendly shoes and sneakers for the everyman. So if you like footwear and sneakers and dress shoes, head on over to Dave the Shoe Man and check out that channel where I do review those shoes for you guys. And I always provide affiliate links to all the watches that I do review here, and I do provide affiliate links to all of the shoes that I do review as well. So if you do like the concepts of both of these channels, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos and shoes and footwear related videos on the other side at Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into this box and show you which watch I am reviewing today. And once again, it is a watch from one of my favorite companies. And if you do watch this channel, you do know that I am a very big SEIKO fan. I love SEIKO watches. I think they are a great value for the money, even though most of the SEIKO watches that I do review on this channel break the budget-friendly rule just a little bit, but it still keeps all of my watches underneath the $500 range. Most of my watches are well below that $500 range, but SEIKO always skates close to the edge on that. So they are a little bit above what I would consider budget friendly, but they are a great value for the money. SEIKO is a wonderful watch brand, and you'll always have a beautiful timepiece on your wrist if you go with a SEIKO watch. So once again, let's get into this and see where we're at. We have a beautiful SEIKO PROSPEX special edition. It's actually upside down. It does come packaged on a pillow pad with instruction manual, or it's actually a card to download the instruction manual, and it's got your warranty information here with the warranty card inside of the booklet. So this is all your warranty information. But guys, this is a very beautiful SEIKO watch, and I don't know if you've seen my channel with the SEIKO PROSPEX that I've done here before. I did one with the penguin on the dial, the penguins on the dial, and then the this one right here is it looks like a manta ray on the dial. This is a wonderful looking watch because it's got that dial that is designed to resemble the ocean and its depth in different lights. So it actually looks like you're looking out over water on an evening night, looking out on the water. This is a wonderful looking SEIKO. It does kind of stray from the typical PROSPEX monster look, but it is a very wonderful watch. Guys, this is so beautiful and so well crafted. It's on the back, it's got that wave. It is a special edition. Let's see what it says here. Diver's watch at 200 meters. This is ISO certified as a 200-meter diver's watch. It is a self-winding automatic, boasting 41 hours of power reserve. This watch is stainless steel construction, and it's got a Lumibright display. Let's actually take a look at this lume and show you what it looks like as I hold it up to the light here. Let's take a good look at it. Oh, guys, it is wonderfully lit up. Very, very nice lume on all the markers and the hands, the indices, and even that beautiful sweeping second hand. Very, very nice lume capability on this thing. It does have the sapphire crystal with the Cyclops eye magnification just above the date window. It is a date format with the winding crown, screw down winding crown. Beautiful winding feel to that knurled winding crown, and it is a screw down crown. Setting it is also a pleasure as everything moves silky smooth, just like Seiko quality, and just a wonderfully built watch all around. Changing the date. Let's see here. Let's get into the date. Nope, that's the time. That's the wind. So there we go. Yep, the date wheel changes very nicely, very smooth. No hangups whatsoever. Let's get that set to the 15th. There we go. But all in all, this is another great watch by Seiko. Another great watch. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how much I love these Seiko Prospex watches. And, you know, they always have these really nice dials. And like I said, you can see the manta ray in the background there. And there's also another one swimming there. They're just beautiful watches. They're nicely designed, beautiful watches. Let's put this thing on. I just got to put it on my arm and see how it feels. I mean, that just looks amazing on my wrist. Wonderful watch. It's a larger case diameter. It does have the 4R35 Seiko caliber, Seiko 4R35 automatic movement, sapphire crystal, large magnification, stainless steel construction, LumiBright display, self-winding automatic, ISO certified to 200 meters of depth. It is the Seiko Prospex SRPG21. And guys, the price on this is just as amazing as the watch is itself. You guys can pick this thing up on Amazon right now for under 400 bucks. This thing is currently selling for around $390. That is an amazing value for the specs and quality that you get with this beautifully crafted Seiko watch with a wonderful unidirectional bezel. Just an amazingly built watch. Very good quality watch. You're getting a lot for the money. About 390 bucks. I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check that out and buy one of these for yourself. It is just an amazing watch. I have hardly ever been let down by Seiko and their quality. Maybe a couple of watches I didn't care much for the style on them, but 98% of the time, Seiko never lets me down. I'm not sponsored by Seiko, but guys, these are amazing watches. They really do a great job. Their quality is outstanding. Fabulous watches. Just amazing in all regards. So, once again, the Seiko Prospex SRPG21 Special Edition, ISO scuba certified at 200 meters, self-winding automatic, 41 hours power reserve, stainless steel construction, LumiBright display, the Seiko 4R35 caliber movement, and a sapphire crystal with a large magnification on the date display. Wonderful watch. Great watch to add to any collection. These Prospex watches are amazing. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos. And if you also want to see my reviews on shoes, tennis shoes, sneakers, boots, and work shoes and work boots, head on over to Dave the Shoe Man, because I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I always believe that you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, head on over and check it out. So once again, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're on the other side, then I'm Dave the Shoe Man, and I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Thank you guys all, and I hope you all have a wonderful week.